Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Get Some with your sommelier Danielle Lindau with 5 to Wine Time. Today we are actually going to get some knowledge on how to open a bottle of sparkling wine properly. Sparkling wine can be anything and everything. So you have sparkling wines from all over the world, but everyone loves to celebrate with a beautiful bottle of champagne. So I'm going to show you how to open a bottle of champagne properly today so that you can look like the pro with all your friends. As much as I would love to open all of these bottles of wine, I have other episodes to film. So we're going to open up my personal favorite, the Charles Heidsieck Cuvée Brut. When you're opening up a bottle of any sparkling, you want to be cautious when moving it around because it is a beverage that has a lot of carbonation on it, high pressure. So the more you move it around, the more those bubbles will act up in the bottle and you won't be able to open it as smoothly and as seamlessly as you may want in front of your guests. So, as I said, I'm going to grab the bottle very carefully. I'm going to move these guys out of the way so you can see everything that I'm doing. Again, only moving the bottle slightly and slowly. A lot of sparkling wines will have the little bit of the tab actually on the label itself. I always like just to cut underneath the foil just to make sure that I have a nice clean cut and that I can pull everything away. So you want to take one cut underneath the lip of the bottle and then come back to the other side and come all the way around nice and smoothly, and then lifting that foil up and over the cage. Perfect. Once the foil is removed, again, don't move the bottle too much. And you'll want to position it in your dominant hand, keeping your thumb on the top of the cage. That is to keep it secure. Again, you have a carbonated beverage. You don't want that cork popping off, flying everywhere and possibly hurting anyone or breaking a window or two. So, putting your thumb on top of the cage, making sure you have a secure grip on the bottle itself, on the neck. You want to pull the cage down. You're going to find a little twist off here. 5.5 twists going counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that half will actually open up the cage for you. Starting to release that pressure. Lifting the bottle up slowly, keeping that thumb on. You want to rotate the bottle, not the cork, but rotating the bottle slowly and surely, you will be able to open that bottle. And as much as I love that popping noise and the sound of celebration, to be a pro, you want to make it just be a little whisper. And that is how you open a bottle of champagne like a pro. I love drinking my bottles of champagne in what's called a burgundy glass because then I can get that beautiful nose, but you can also enjoy it in that beautiful champagne flute. Well, it is 5 to wine time, so make sure you grab yourself a glass of sparkling. And until next time, guys, cheers.